Hi, I'm your Sussex County chiropractor, Dr. Will Holdsworth from Pain Relief Chiropractic. I'm here with Ryan today. Your low back is bothering, her low back is bothering her. It's about a 5 out of 10. And the neck is more mild, more like a 2, 1 or 2, something around there. And her feet are bothering her as well, left worse than the right. Did you say like a 6 out of 10 for the foot? Okay. She is a hairstylist over at Sport Clips, so she's on her feet a lot. She did 15 haircuts in 5 hours the other day. So really busy right now, and so she's in here for treatment. You were doing a squat with friends and you felt like a back spasm. So there's that going on too. So we're just gonna do a full neck, back, and feet treatment today. We're gonna just start out, Ryan. You're gonna take your arm, you're gonna put it out to the side like you're flying, and go across your chest, grab the elbow, perfect, and go back and forth. Is one side worse than the other in the neck?
Probably my left side.
Left side. Pressure's okay?
Yeah.
And I want to show you something at the end of this treatment too today. I bought this like strap. It's called Stretch Easy, like the letters Easy on Amazon. And this thing is pretty cool. You put it on your foot and you can stretch out your leg and like the calf and the foot, hamstrings. I used it at a physical therapist's office the other day and I'm like sold. I'm so excited about it.
So that would help that like plantar fasciitis?
Yep, exactly. Good, and relax. We'll do more on this side. So this is just a muscle release technique that I'm doing on Ryan right now. This muscle is very commonly tight in people who shrug their shoulders, are stressed. When she does what she does at the barber shop, she's like kind of shrugging her shoulders and raising her hands up, so that can cause some tightness into this area. It can also lead to headaches. So these are like muscle tension headaches that you can get. And relax here. Good. Let's raise the left hand like you're asking a question and then put that hand down onto your low back. Good. Go back up and down. So are you guys open during Christmas?
We're open on Christmas Eve actually.
Wow. Is it busy?
It's not the busiest day, but it's busy. We have a decent amount of clients in each store.
And relax down. I actually was in the trade center the other day, and I saw that your store was right next to where I was going.
Oh,
I was getting a gift certificate at a nail salon. And yeah, there's Sport Clips is right there.
It is. It's hidden, but it's a nice space.
It looked cool. I like the you guys have like a very stadium sort of feel to it. The waiting chairs are. Go ahead and tilt your head to the left and tilt to the right. It was cool. And then it said something on the window, like watch sports as you get your hair cut.
Yeah, there's TVs right in front of your chair.
That's awesome. So do you control the channel that you want to watch?
So it's one channel for all the TVs. But if a client has a channel request, we put it on. But we try to make sure we have the major sport for
the area.
Like Sunday we always have football on, and colleges Saturday. Or
keep going. Yeah, college football Saturday.
On Saturdays, yeah.
Good, and relax. Let's go on your stomach, face down. Good. So, kind of along the lines of talking about the that Stretch Easy thing. The hamstrings we want to loosen up for sure. Whenever you have any sort of issues with plantar fasciitis or the foot, there's kind of like a myofascial network, they call it. Basically it's just a chain of tightness that you can develop in the backside that'll go into your foot. So loosening the hamstrings and the calves along with the foot will help get more of a comprehensive approach to loosening the area up. So that's why we're doing the hamstrings right now, and we're going to get into the calves and do the glutes because the back is bothering you too. Are you working today?
No.
Day off today, huh?
Yeah, lucky.
Nice. Did you get your Christmas shopping done?
Almost. Everything is back ordered now, or taking forever to ship.
I noticed that, except for Amazon. They're like the only ones that are on time, which is like really giving them like more cred, you know, in the market.
Oh yeah, I learned my lesson. Amazon from now on.
Yeah. No, they were well prepared this season. Because Williams-Sonoma, I think right now, if you want to get like an Instant Pot or something, it's showing up January 3rd.
Yeah, I just ordered something the other day. It showed arrives before Christmas, and then all of a sudden changed to January 26th.
That's like so late.
I know, way too late.
That's not even like, oh, it's going to be a week late. Like, that's bad.
Yeah.
And it's December 7th right now. To be that far back ordered is bad.
I had stuff that was supposed to arrive, and it's been sitting in Kentucky since Saturday. There's a whole big thing with that.
Yeah, that's strange.
Yeah.
Yeah, this right side isn't as tight. You feel that?
Yeah.
We have a couple people who are postal carriers who come in here, and man, they're like so overwhelmed because of this 2-day shipping. Like it's essentially free to any of the Amazon Prime people. So they have so many boxes. It's crazy how much those people are lifting now.
Oh yeah. I'm sure it can't be easy.
No. Okay, we'll get adjusted here first. Go ahead and breathe in and breathe out. Good. And in and out here. And we'll breathe in and out here. And one more. Let's go on your back, lay face up. Do you want to do the Grafton today too for the foot?
The what?
That metal thing?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That would be great.
Let's bend this knee. Good. Perfect. Rotate here. And go ahead and breathe in and out. And we'll go flat on your back, bend the right knee, and rotate here, and breathe in and out. Let's go ahead and, let's get your hip adjusted first, then we'll get the shoe off. Relax this here. Good. And we'll even you out on this side. Let's go ahead and slip that off. You got any Christmas socks on today?
No, actually I have my wine socks on.
The wine socks? If you can read this, bring me a glass of wine. Nice. So this thing, we use this little like metal tool and we scrape up and down on the foot. Some people a little squeamish. Ryan is a little tougher than most, so she does okay. But this will loosen up a lot of the area in the foot and really help with any sort of foot pain, plantar fasciitis. It breaks up scar tissue, is how it works. And if you scrape along the angle of how the tissue should be oriented, the theory is it will reconstruct the proper way, so it's not just crisscrossed and craziness with the scar tissue. That's what they claim. I know it works because I've seen the results in the office. How we doing so far, Ryan?
Good.
Good. Right there, sore?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's usually there and then my heel the most.
Right. So are you working Christmas Eve?
Yeah.
And you guys open late or?
Probably till about 4 o'clock.
Okay. So
That's
not
not
too
bad.
bad. And what time you open?
10.
10.
So it's a nice day.
And are you going to be in Flanders?
Probably in Morristown this year.
Morristown?
Yeah.
Where do they put you in Morristown and Flanders too, or not really? Flanders.
It depends on what the stores need. Every day is different.
It's kind of nice. Get
Yeah.
some variety. I'm going to adjust your foot here. Relax your leg. Good. Okay. I'm going to get your neck. And you haven't been having any headaches? Just
Not
mild?
really.
Mild neck pain. Let's do some muscle work first. Good. So we check range of motion. She moves a lot further that way than she does this way. And we check these. She's a little locked up in like the middle of her neck on the left, upper on the right, and the lower on the left, or on the right. Awesome. Okay, let's go up and see how you're feeling.
The back definitely feels a lot better.
Is the pain still there? Is it gone?
It feels like there's no pain at all.
Okay, for the low back, what about the neck?
No pain in my neck. My foot feels good.
Okay, great.
Yep.
All right, so that's pretty much everything there. You get the neck, the low back, and the foot. I'm Dr. Will Holdsworth, your Sussex County chiropractor. This was Ryan. Thanks for doing the video.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. And thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.